Today we're going to do an irrigation checkup. In order to do an irrigation checkup, I have to get out into my landscape and visually look for the problems that are obvious something's happening. Water shooting straight up in the air, water spraying concrete instead of the landscape, drip tubing that's spraying water instead of dripping water. All those things are common sense problems. You know where the water needs to go and you know where it shouldn't be going. I'm going to start this checkup by going to my controller and I'm going to turn it to the manual setting. I can then set each zone to run anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes and set it to run so that as I walk through my system, each zone is coming on. I'm then going to look for problems. Problems in your system, I like to call them pretty common sense. You know where water shouldn't be spraying, you know water shouldn't be bubbling up out of the ground, and you know if water is spraying your windows, that's not good either. So I'm going to take my irrigation flags, I'm going to go through my system and find the problems in my system. I'm going to flag them as a glaring reminder that I need to fix them and be as efficient as I possibly can in my irrigation system. The reason we do monthly irrigation checks is because you're going to get your water bill once a month. So you need to be checking your system on a monthly basis. Your system's going off 5 o'clock in the morning, and you may not know there's a problem until you get that really large water bill. So be proactive, get out in your landscape and look for those problems.